Hello everybody, today I want to make the kind of game for kids, coloring book game. So let's get started. So here's it, my Emacs, and I'll make the font bigger, set default font. I think this one is going to be perfect. So here's it. Then, oh no, I need to change it because it has to be monospace. Mono, where is it? This one, 14. Yeah, I think that's good. So now I already have directory coloring book, and actually I made like a 6 coloring patterns. I get this thing from, I do not remember from which website, but license for all of these pictures are public domain, so I can use it as much as I want. Okay, so let's start programming. So as previous videos, I am going to use SDL. So I will have application class, let's call it coloring book class main. And for Windows I actually need to do these parameters, argv, and hopefully it will help you to compile it under Windows. And I will have coloring book class. So this is our pattern of using coloring book class. Now let's make coloring book class. So I will have constructor, destructor, exec function, and in private section I will have, so I need include SDL, and in private section, oh yeah, also I need makefile. So makefile I will copy from my previous videos. Let's take it from Flappy Bird, for instance. It's going to be same without any modifications, and let's try to compile. Make-j9. Yeah, so that's fine. We have coloring book, and we need to implement these things. .cpp include coloring book.hpp, coloring book here. So now it should compile. Return 0. So as a constructor I want to take in parameter page, and I want to load page texture here, SDL texture, page texture, and load texture. And here we will take name, and name is, it's page 1 2 3 4 5 6.bmp. so page, and then plus string page plus .bmp, like this. And we need to implement load texture function, and I already implemented on my previous video, so I just going to copy paste it. So I will have file load texture.hpp. so this is declaration, and the implementation I'm just copy pasting from my previous videos. It's like this. Let's compile it. SDL texture has a complete type, SDL texture star. Here is it. I need to include load texture.hpp. Oops, right. So here's it. I need to put 1. So I want to load page 1. I need string here. Right, it's need renderer here. SDL. So Right, let me modify load texture a little bit because I want to take string file name, so I need to include string here and here like this. And now, yeah, now it's compiling, but it's not going to work because I need to initialize renderer and window. So I'll make static functions SDL, and actually window should go first because create renderer probably will need window. Yep, create renderer SDL renderer, and it needs SDL window, SDL window, create window here. So what we need SDL create window here. First SDL init, and I need to handle errors, and I did error handling. I think on Diamond Crush I was doing error handling. Yeah, SDL check.hpp. Let me create this thing, SDL check.hpp. So I need to include SDL check, and here I want to check, so result has to be 0 and message this message in case of error. Now I need to create window, SDL create window, and let's see what kind of parameters I need to do to create the window. So I need title, I need X, Y, W, H, and flags. So title is going to be coloring book, and X and Y is going to be 65 by 126, and height 1280, width 1280, height 720, 1280 by 720. Okay, and flags are going to be SDL window borderless. So, oh, that's quite nice. Anyways, so we can just return it like this, right? You know, I'll return res because I want to do SDL check. Yeah, like this. Right. Okay, and now renderer. So SDL create renderer. So it takes window, index and flags, and index and renderer. Flags, renderer flags, accelerated, prevent sync. Res supports. Anyways, -1 and 0. So probably I'll use accelerated and target texture. Let me think, do I need target texture? Anyways, let's use accelerated. So autores equals SDL create renderer. So window and -1 and this one, and then do SDL check res. Cool. Here I need to destroy things and destroy renderer and destroy window. SDL destroy. So I think we should see some sort of blip here now. So let's test it. Yeah, I did see blip. Now we can start doing loop, and in the loop we will do in previous videos we were doing pull event, and now because let me think, probably I want to do pull event. Okay, let's do simple things first. So while done if SDL. So instead of pull event is not blocking, and we can have blocking thing. It's wait event. So wait event, it's same as pull event, but it's blocking, it's waiting for event. So we can do SDL wait event, SDL now switch e type case SDL quit done equals true break. So let's see. Yeah, it did bleep, but we do not see anything because I forgot to draw anything. So let's draw things. So to draw things, I need to do SDL renderer present, renderer SDL renderer set renderer color renderer, and let's make color white, renderer draw color, render draw color, and render present. Here's it, but it's black. Ooh. What did I do wrong? Oh, SDL render clear. Yay, now it's white. So now I can put here texture. So I did load texture, page texture, so I can just do SDL render copy texture null ptr null ptr page texture like this. So null ptr first parameter means like entire texture, and second parameter means entire window. Here's it. This is thing here, and I want to have second texture where oh, let's do palette first also. Did I spell it right? I think it looks right. So here I can load palette texture, load texture, and palette is this one. Now palette I will draw on top of everything, so SDL rect destination x0 y0 with so the palette is 6 by 2 squares, 50 by 50, so 6 by 2. So, and this is destination palette texture. What the difference? Oh, 1L 2T. Here's it, my palette, so I can pick the color. And yeah, let's do color picker. SDL point int selected color selected color, and I'll draw SDL rect color dot x. It's going to be so I think I'll draw entire square around the selected color. So x is going to be and y is like this, 50 50. SDL render draw rect, and let's set color. Let's have black color, so I'll have black here. So here's it, you can see black rectangle around, and let's make it smaller, right? So let's make it +10, +10, and here is it minus 10 multiplied by 2. Yeah, so white is selected now, and then I can click different things and select different colors. So let's get the clicks from mouse, switch E-type, case SDL, mouse button up, break, E dot button dot x, y, if x greater than 0 and x less than 6 multiplied by 50 and y greater than 0, greater than equal, and y less 2 multiplied by 50. We did click on palette, and what we can do, selected color equals x divided by 50 plus y divided by 50 multiplied by 6. Why it's not working? Oh, it was simple bug. Now it's working. So I did color picker, and now I want to do coloring, and if I did things outside, I want to I want to run coloring, so color X and Y. So this thing calls flat fill, and I can show you on Wikipedia. Flat fill. So this one, here's it, you can see on Wikipedia, and I will use stack-based recursive implementation. It's the worst possible way to implement flat fill, but also it's very simple. There is only 5 steps comparing with our alternatives. So, and you can see this one takes like a lot of lines, and this one just 5 lines, which is very nice, and hopefully it will work. So I will have function flat fill here, and it will take 2 parameters. Right, so I need texture where I will do coloring. SDL texture color. So all these textures I need to destroy. SDL. So color texture, it will be a little bit different how I will how I will do. So let's see how I can create the texture, right? And I assume it's SDL create texture. Yeah. Format access W and H. SDL. You know, I can just do color texture format. So format. I need alpha channel because I just can have white color. Yeah, I need alpha channel actually. Let's have alpha channel. Just RGB. So I'll have this one. Format access. I'll need streaming. And what else? Width and height. And width and height going to be 1280 by 720. Yeah, flat fill. Here's it, flat fill. Implementation is going to be here. I'll do nothing for now. And clear. I do not need clear anymore. Copy color texture. So let's see. Yeah, I need to fill texture with white color, so it has random data inside now. And I can do it like by locking the texture, so I can lock texture like where is it? There is no lock. Here's it, SDL lock texture. So char uint 8 t cells star and autores SDL. So now I locked it, and then let's do SDL check first. Check res equals 0, and the message is going to be this one. And then SDL unlock. How I can unlock? Yeah, here, unlock texture. Oh, now for int y equals 0, y less than 720 plus y, for int x equals 0, x less 80 plus x, pixels x multiplied by 3 plus y multiplied by pitch equals ff. So, and there is a 3 components. This first one is R, second one is B, G, R, red, green and blue. So let's see, it should be white now. It is white, but here's it black for some reason. 720 by... Yep, now it's white for some reason. It's 4 byte for some reason. Not sure why. Not sure why. Anyways, coloring is working now. I can do coloring, right? Flat fill. So I will lock this texture, and then also I will lock... Can I just read from texture? Just get the value, pixel value from the texture just directly? Can I do it without locking it? So what is update texture? Yeah, let's do lock texture. So I will do lock for page texture. Pixels, right. So color pixels, color pitch, and page pixels, page pitch. I don't know, I don't like the name page anymore. I think it's fine. Page, color, 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 page, 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 page. So let's see, would it work? It would not crash. It's working, I mean locking and unlocking. Oh no, it did crash. Yeah, so I cannot lock page because it's not streaming, and let's make it streaming. I think I can make it streaming. Set texture, alpha mode, blend mode and color mode. Query texture and query texture. Use this function to query the attributes of... okay. From surface, creates texture from surface. So it's static. Yeah, this kind of problem. I cannot access pixel data from the texture. So what I can do, yeah, so what I will do, I will create a temporal texture. So page check texture. So here's it. So I will create temporal texture, and then at the end of all operation I will do SDL, just raw texture temp, and here I will create page texture equals SDL, and actually I'll do it here. I'll get all these things, and also or SDL texture says target. So let's me target, okay, and here's it. I will copy, so SDL set render target and page texture, and then SDL render copy temp null ptr, and then set SDL set render. Like this should work. We'll see. Hopefully it's what just happened. Let's try it again. Page texture must be streaming. Here's it. SDL texture access streaming. Page texture color texture. Why it's like this first, and second why? So I cannot mix streaming and target. It's kind of odd. Yeah, okay. How load texture and page. Wait, here, right? Load. Sure. So let me implement by myself static load streaming texture, and it will create texture, and then here it's GL, and here's it const string file name. Now let me load texture, so I'll have surface, so I'll get surface, and then at the end I'll freeze surface and return res, and actually I can do here SDL check SDL check face, and let's do it like this. So I can throw away this thing, and then I can copy pixels. So I can copy pixels, and by locking, right? Lock result pixels pitch u int 8 t star pixels int pitch. So we did lock, and we can access pixel data from surface. Convert pixel, fill rect, load BMP, lock, unlock, lock surface. Here's it, lock surface. So now I need to do lock surface res equals SDL face. So I did lock it, and then I can unlock it. So it's same thing but unlock, and then I can access to surface pixels, pixel format, width, height, pitch. So let's assume it's yeah, it's right. Okay, so we will do for int y equals 0 y. Yes, I know it's 120 by 7, so 720 plus y, and mem copy from, I forgot what is source and what is destination. Mem copy. So first is destination. Destination is pixels plus y multiply by pitch, and source is pixel surface pixel plus y multiply by surface pitch, and amount is going to be std min pitch face. Right, air pixels, pitch is int. Pointer of type void star used in arithmetic. Oh right, I need to convert this guy to 8. Oops, star. So unlock surface returns void. Load stream texture. Okay, let's see. Hopefully it will work. Yay! But for some reason, yeah, I did not enable alpha blending. So let's see, where is it? Alpha blending. So I need to do SDL renderer draw blend mode. SDL render draw blend mode. Set. Didn't work for some reason. Right. No, not this thing. So let's make RGBA, right? It's RGBA. So why it's not working? So let's load second page. Oh, what? That's interesting. Oh, I forgot to unlock texture. What's going on? It does not look like it's transparent. Pixel format. Should be RGB 8888. So let me do this loop, but I'll put all zeros here. Nope, it's black. Still black. That's red. So color texture, page texture, palette texture. Something wrong with color texture. So let's draw only color texture. It's blue, and I did not make it blue. Actually, it should be black, still blue. Alright, here, RGB. Y pitch X 1 2 3. It does do something. Blue. So something wrong with format. Now it's red. Okay, so I fixed the format. So let's make me this thing pink for a while. Yellow. Why it's yellow? This one is yellow. Now it's pink. Totally confused. This one is red. So this one should be green. This one should be blue. Oh, it's inverted. Red, green, blue. Okay, it's fine. Now let me uncomment these things. And now we have nothing. Right, darn. Blue. There is no blending. Why there is no blending? Oh. RGB. Let's try this thing. RGB 52 color texture EBGR. EBGR blue. Come on, should be white. Doesn't work. Why it's not working? Blending mode is not working. SDL blend mode. SDL. Nope, it doesn't work. Oh, finally it does work. So apparently I need to do SDL texture blend mode to make texture be able to blend. So, and now I need to do some magic with ordering of RGB things, right? GB. So let's try this thing first. Yeah. So now, and to be consistent, ABG. So I'll do RGB here too, and now I can do coloring. So fill. I'll send all these parameters. Color pixel, color pitch, page pixels, page pitch, and also X and Y. So here color pixel is int AT, pitch is int AT, pitch is int, and just for fun, let's just put the pixel on color pixels. So it's y multiplied by color pitch plus x multiplied by 4 equals, let's make it 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Okay. So just for fun, we'll see dots from mouse, and now I can just do coloring, and I already showed you, I lost it, flat fill on Wikipedia. I'll just copy paste this thing, copy paste. So if target color is, so if target color, okay, let's call it TR equals TA RGB plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 target color, and then replacement color. Let's make replacement color just black or red for now. So I'll do it red for now. And actually there is a page. So for page, what I'll do, if we hit if a greater than f0, return. If t1a equal ra and rgb return. So what else? In our case it means, so we want to do, you know, I'll make it because I want to change it. So t1a equal rgb. So if color of node not equal target color, if colors equal target color, set the color, and then if x minus 1 greater or equal to 0, we can do flat fill x minus 1 y. So same thing for y, and then same thing for x plus 1 less than 1280 plus 1 less than 720 plus 1 plus 1. T to B, what? Yeah, we did not use all of this thing. Let's see. It's working, but it's crashed. Probably I get the Stack Overflow, not sure. Yeah, definitely it's crashing. Not sure why. Oh. So if I hitting the edge, I should return. Let's see. Still crashed. Looks like Stack Overflow for my taste. So how I can fix this thing? I can make the stack consumption short, and I can put everything here in the pointers. We'll see. We'll see, hopefully it will help. Who knows? No, it did not help. It did crash. How big a stack? It is big. So I modified algorithm without using the stack. So instead of using recursion, I'm using vector. Hopefully it will, if not, pop back. Q push back. Q push back. Q push back. So they got 4. While not empty, should work, but for some reason it's just stopping on. Why it's not working? So I did pull back. Push back, push back, push back, push back. Taking, checking, setting pixel. Push back, push back, push back, push back, pop back, pop back. Setting pixel, push back, push back, pop back. Setting pixel. Should work, but for some reason it does not. Does not working. Come on, why you're not working? What did I do wrong? Ah. Now it should work. So what breakpoint is it? 1. Continue. Yay! It's working now. I need to figure out colors, and those guys are not streaming guys, so you know, I'll just open this thing in GIMP and just read the colors from GIMP. So this one is white. Static uint at colors equals 0xff 0xff 0xff. So this one is red. 8753 8753 FF F8 to F 510096 F6 So 0, 1, 2, and selected color. So let's color some different pages. Page 2, gingerbread man. So probably I need to make threshold little bit loose. Ginger man, so it's F. Let's do halfway, so like let's put 8 here. Did still have this thing. 40. That's better, yeah. So here's it, coloring thing. So thank you for watching. Let's do last image. Okay, main 3. Okay, thank you for watching, and hopefully see you next time. Bye.